Here's a question a lot of guys wonder about but rarely ask out loud. Should you be waking up with morning erections? And if yes, how often is normal? Let's break it down. Why morning erections happen. Morning wood isn't just about sexy dreams. It's actually part of your body's natural rhythm. The medical term is nocturnal penile tumescence, basically nighttime erections. They mostly happen during REM sleep, the stage when you dream the most. Since REM sleep tends to occur in the early morning hours, men often wake up with an erection right after it. That's why teens often notice it almost every day. But what about after teenage years? What's normal then? What the science says. Researchers have been studying this for decades. One of the first major studies back in the 1970s looked at over 100 healthy males, ranging from kids to men in their 70s. They found erections during sleep start in early childhood. They peak during teenage years, lasting longer and happening more often. On average, teens spend about 40% of sleep time with erections, around 40 minutes per episode. As men get older, it drops to about 20% of total sleep time, roughly 1.5 hours each night, spread across 3 to 5 erections. More recent studies using advanced devices found that even men in their 50s and 60s still had multiple erections at night. The main change wasn't the number. It was the strength of blood flow, which naturally declines with age. So yes, healthy men continue to have nighttime and morning erections throughout life, just not quite as intense as in their teenage years. Why they matter. Morning erections aren't just random. They're a health signal. They show that your blood flow is good. Your hormones, especially testosterone, are in check. Your nervous system is working properly. If you stop noticing them altogether, it can be an early red flag. It might point to issues like low testosterone, poor circulation, or even early warning signs of erectile dysfunction. What to do if you're not getting them? If morning erections are rare or gone, don't ignore it. Here's what to look at. Check testosterone levels. Low T is often linked to fewer nighttime erections. Lifestyle matters. Maintain a healthy weight, exercise regularly, both strength training and cardio, reduce stress, and sleep well. Blood flow health. Quit smoking, limit alcohol, and eat for heart health. Because what's good for your heart is good for your erections. Think of morning erections as your body's check engine light. If they're missing, it's a cue to investigate and optimize your health before bigger problems show up. The bottom line. Morning wood is a built-in health marker. Teenagers may get it more often and for longer stretches, but healthy men should continue experiencing it throughout adulthood. If you stop noticing them, don't panic, but do pay attention. It might be your body's way of telling you to improve your health or get checked out. Call to action. If this helped clear up a myth, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, science-based men's health breakdowns. And tell me in the comments, what's another men's health question you've always wondered about but never asked? Stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, your body gives you signals for a reason.